Hi love, get ready to achieve a flawless makeup look in just 5 minutes. It is easier than you think.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were.
So I'm just going to moisturize my face now. I've already done the other things which I need to do before starting my makeup. I did a very detailed video on how you can prep your skin before you can apply your makeup. If you have not watched that video, I will leave the link above so that you can go and watch it and know how you can prep your skin properly before starting your makeup. So right now, I'm just going to pick up my foundation, and the foundation I'm going to be using is from Zaron Cosmetic. You can use any foundation of your choice. I will put the little I need on my wrist, and after that I will use my makeup brush to apply it directly to my face to blend and blend and blend. Keep blending until your face is soaked with the foundation. One thing about makeup is how to blend properly. You need to blend your foundation properly so that your makeup will not come out cakey or looking patchy or looking somehow in your face. And after using the makeup brush, you go in with your wet beauty blender. You use beauty blender to blend it very well because it helps to blend your foundation so that it will silk in inside your face very well. You need to blend and blend and blend and blend and blend until there will be no harsh line on your face, and the sign of the foundation itself will not be on your face again. Everything will be looking smoothly and fine and silky and beautiful. When I'm done with the beauty blender, I will go in with my concealer to highlight the T-zones of my face so that I'll be able to highlight my eyes. So I'm just going to put it in the T-zone of my face and I'll blend. When I'm done with the applying of the concealer on my face, I'll use my beauty blender to blend it inside my face very well, just as you can see from the video. Like I said earlier, blending is it's what make makeup to look beautiful. If you can blend, forget it, you are good at makeup. You need to blend and blend and blend because makeup is all about blending. So I'm just going to blend the T-zones of my area and make sure that I blend everything properly and all that, just the same way you are seeing from this video. You keep blending, ensure you blend properly. I'm emphasizing on the blending part because it's very important. Whether you are a pro, you are a newcomer in makeup, blending is very essential in makeup doing. So I'll just keep on blending, blending, blending until everything also sink into my face and it will now come out smoothing and looking beautiful, just as you can see. You see that there is no any sign of even applying concealer. So I'm just going to go in with my contour on my side of my face. One thing about makeup, there are no rules. You can decide to use your brush on your face before you do your contour, or you can decide to apply your contour before you apply your brush. That's why I said there are no rules to how you can do your makeup. Anyone that works for you, do it. So I'm just going to contour my face and put it in two sides of my face. After that, I'll go close to my forehead. And now I'm going to take my powder, and the powder I'm going to use is still from Zaron Cosmetic. I'm using most of their products because I love using their products. I'll apply it in my T-zone area that I've already highlighted with my concealer. I'm just going to apply my powder there and ensure that I patch it in very well, just as you can see from this video. After applying my powder, I will go in again with my contour. My face is not showing very well, so I need the contour to show on my face very well. That is why I'm applying it the second time, because the first time I did not apply it properly to the much. So I'm just going to put in a little of my face again to look different. And when I'm done with this contour applying, I will carry my blush. I will apply my blush on my face. As you can see, I'm already applying the blush on my face already. I will apply it on the both sides. You can use a little blush on your face, or if you like, so most people like blush. If you like little, you can apply little. If you like much, you can apply more. Some people they like blush on their face, even if makeup is not on their face. See, that blush is very important to them. So I'm just going to apply a little that I want, or the amount that I want on my face. And when I'm done with the blush applying, the next thing I'm going to do now is to carry my spooling brush. I will use the spooling brush to brush out my eyebrow, because I don't want to do the eyebrow. It's already looking beautiful. And when I'm done with this, I will just take my eyeshadow palette and I will use it to put on my eyes. You can put different eyeshadow you want, but I just want to go in with this color. You can use any type of eyeshadow to apply on your face. So I'm just going to go in with this, and when I'm done with this, I will move over to the other eyes and I will use the same, and after that I'll blend it in and blend it and blend it. So I'll just keep on blending to ensure that the eyeshadow is looking good on my eyes. And when you are done blending, you have to check it if what you are doing is in line with what you want, and you can decide to use another eyeshadow if you feel like. And after that, I'm just going to carry my lip liner to outline my lip. You can decide to just apply lip gloss on your lip, or you can even decide to just apply lipstick on your lip. But for the sake of this video, I will be outlining my lip with my brown lip liner. And when I'm done with this, I will use my lip blending brush to brush in the lip liner so that it will look well. It will not be looking scattered on my lip the way it should not be. And I will blend everywhere, both the down lip of my mouth and the up lip of my mouth, and blend everything properly. And when I'm done with this, I'm going to use my hand to ensure that I pat in very well, just as you can see from the video, to ensure that everything balanced well in my lip. And after doing this one, I will use my lip palette and pick any color of lip I want. So I need a nude lip, so I will apply the nude lipstick in my down part of my lip and also the upper part of my lip, and ensure that everything stay well. And I will pat my mouth together to ensure that everything balanced well, just as you can see from the video. And when I'm done with this, I will use my blending brush to also blend it in again, just as you can see from the video right now. So I'm just going to pat it in, pat it in, pat it in, and arrange it very well. You can see it's looking somehow in my lip, so I need to arrange it so that everything will look good and blend well. So I'll just keep on blending and blending. So I'm just going to carry my white lip gloss to apply on my lip so that my lip will be shiny and have that glossy look. So I'm just going to apply a little, and as you can see from the video, and I will use my brush to apply it in my mouth.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known.
So I will go in with my lip liner again because it's not showing very well. I want it to show, to have that down lip brown look. So I'll just still apply my lip liner. As you can see now, it's showing, so that they will be different. And I'll use my hand to clean out the excesses that is coming out. So when I'm done with this process, the next thing I will do now is to carry my big brush to apply powder in my face and also blend out the excesses from my face, from the highlighted part and all over my face. I'll blend out the excesses from the powder. And when I'm done using this big brush, I'll also go in with my small brush The reason why I'm using the small brush is because I want the highlighted area to shine very well. I don't want it to look as if everything in my face is the same. So I'm just going to use a small brush, apply powder again in the highlighted area of my face so that everything can shine very well and look beautiful and smooth and silky. Just as you can see from the video, you can tell the difference. So when I'm done with this process, ensuring that every arch line is gone, and blend all around my face to ensure that my powder is okay. So I will take my setting spray to spray all around my makeup so everything can blend in together, and voila, I'm done. And this is the finished look of the makeup. You can see the way it's looking beautiful and kinky and very easy to do. Just 5 minutes, you are done. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to turn your notification button so that when I post a new video, you will be the first to know. So from me to you, I love you guys. Mwah.